The new CUS100ME is a single output 2x4-inch AC/DC power supply with IEC 60601-1 3rd edition medical approval and IEC 62368-1. It's suitable for Class 1 and Class 2 installations. Class 2 is without protective earth. It is available in 4 mechanical formats: open PCB, with base plate, with U-channel, and with U-channel and cover. The base plate and U-channel versions provide additional cooling assistance via heat conduction. Gap pads are used to conduct heat away from underside components and into the base plate and equipment chassis. The power supply is rated at 100 watts maximum output power, and this can be achieved with convection cooling at ambient temperatures up to 50 degrees C for the PCB version and up to 60 degrees C for the U-channel version. With base plate and U-channel conduction cooling assistance, this rating can be achieved at up to 70 degrees C ambient temperature, and with forced air cooling of 1 meter per second, operation up to 85 degrees C ambient temperature is possible. CUS100ME is highly efficient, up to 94%, and has a low standby power consumption of less than 0.5 watts. Standard output voltages available are 12, 15, 18, 24, 28, 36 and 48 volts. Non-standard voltages, up to 10% above these nominal values, can be supplied on request. TDK-Lambda's design priorities for this compact convection-cooled power supply were cost optimization along with excellent thermal design and performance. Particular attention was paid to electrolytic capacitor temperatures so that above average field life would be achieved. CUS100ME meets Class B levels for both conducted and radiated EMI, and it comes with a 5-year warranty.